What's up everyone? Welcome to another day in the garage. I just thought I'd put together a quick little video. So basically, as you guys know, I've been running Adaptronic computers for like I'd say 10 years now, or it would be 10 years. Been super happy with their computers, obviously had a lot of great success with them. Back in, I think it was like 2020, Adaptronic was bought out by Haltech, and I still continued to use the Adaptronic product. Yeah, I sort of hung, like, you know, held out with the Adaptronic product. You know, still, I guess, unofficially, you know, supported by Haltech because they owned Adaptronic. But yeah, just before I went over to Europe, we were having some good conversations with Richard, Andy and the team up there, and yeah, it was kind of decided that the LS86 should get a birthday. So yeah, so basically I'd like to officially welcome Haltech to the team. So the LS86 is in the next months is going to get a full birthday, full rewire from scratch. I won't have time to do that before Time Attack, and yeah, this is all of the stuff here. So basically we have like a PD16 power distribution, the keypad, so I'll just open these up here for you. So within here, so we've got like the PD16 Nexus, so you give this positive power, it runs on CAN bus on a keypad, and that distributes power to everything you need. So do away with all of the dinky relays and all that kind of stuff. We've also got the O2 sensors, and then we have a keypad here, so that'll control this through CAN bus. Basically tells everything what to do. Nice and simple, like literally just 4 pins on the back of that. And then within here you can put all your funky stickers on there to change what you wanted to do. Don't panic, warp speed, afterburners, all that kind of stuff. So that there will run the PD16, and then if we move across to here, so that there, this here, yeah, we've got a IC7. I had the choice to go on the 7 or the 10. I decided the 7, like the 10, you know, like a lot bigger screen and everything, but to be honest, like for motorsport, just want to keep it smaller. Again, you can have the auxiliary ports in, so that then you can run an auxiliary loom here, which it comes with its own loom. You can run obviously all your different inputs, or you can just run it through a CAN bus setup. I'll be running that through CAN, obviously. And then you've got this here, which is to connect to your USB, so you can actually program the dash to configure it into what screens you want. You can up and down your screens and everything like that. So that's that. Then we've, I guess at the heart of it all, we've gone the Nexus R3. So Nexus R3 computer. That there obviously has its own dedicated power outputs, or they call them DPOs, or digital pulse outputs, but with all of the thermo fans and all of the different things that I run on my 86, obviously 2 superchargers, has two oil coolers, 2 fans, then you've got twin thermo fans at the back, electric water pump, then you've got 3 fuel pumps, just all the extra stuff. Yeah, I just decided to go for the smaller computer and then run it through the PD instead of going for the R5, which has more digital pulsed outputs. So yeah, so that's that. And then obviously that comes with its own loom. So that there is a universal wiring loom. So that has no plugs on it. You can just run it to everything you want and wire it in. The PD16 also comes with its own loom. So that's like a universal loom there. Yeah, look, packaged really nicely. Extra O2 sensor, because obviously we're on one on each bank. That then can be displayed. You can have your left and right banks displayed in your screen, so you can know if you've got like an injector or a spark plug issue, and running lean on one bank. But yeah, so as I said, just wanted to do a quick video to say a massive welcome to Haltech, an official welcome, I guess. And yeah, really looking forward to getting it all in the car and tuning it and going from there. Thanks for watching, guys.